Cellulitis, a bacterial skin infection characterized by inflammation, redness, and pain. Osteomyelitis, inflammation of bone and bone marrow caused by bacteria or fungi. Arthritis, inflammation of the joints causing pain, stiffness, and swelling. Bronchitis, inflammation of the bronchi in the lungs causing coughing and difficulty breathing. Colitis, inflammation of the colon causing abdominal pain, diarrhea, and constipation. Dermatitis, inflammation of the skin causing itching, redness, and rash. Gingivitis, inflammation of the gums causing swelling and bleeding. Hepatitis, inflammation of the liver causing fever, jaundice, and abdominal pain. Myocarditis, inflammation of the heart muscle causing chest pain, fatigue, and shortness of breath. Pericarditis, inflammation of the pericardium, the sac surrounding the heart causing chest pain and fever. Conjunctivitis, inflammation of the conjunctiva, the thin membrane that covers the eye causing redness and discharge. Encephalitis, inflammation of the brain causing fever, headache, and confusion. Gastritis, inflammation of the stomach lining causing nausea, vomiting, and stomach pain. Nephritis, inflammation of the kidneys causing swelling, high blood pressure, and blood in the urine. Pancreatitis, inflammation of the pancreas causing severe abdominal pain and digestive problems. Pharyngitis, inflammation of the pharynx or throat causing sore throat, fever, and difficulty swallowing. Pneumonitis, inflammation of the lung tissue causing cough, fever, and difficulty breathing. Sinusitis, inflammation of the sinuses causing facial pain, congestion, and headache. Tendinitis, inflammation of a tendon causing pain, stiffness, and weakness in the affected area. Vasculitis, inflammation of the blood vessels causing damage to the vessel walls and potential organ damage. Mastitis, inflammation of the breast tissue, often seen in breastfeeding mothers. Uveitis, inflammation of the uvea, the middle layer of the eye causing pain and vision changes. Otitis, inflammation of the ear causing pain and potential hearing loss. Cystitis, inflammation of the bladder causing pain and discomfort during urination. Meningitis, inflammation of the membranes surrounding the brain and spinal cord causing headache, fever, and neck stiffness. Fasciitis, inflammation of the fascia, the connective tissue that surrounds muscles, causing pain and swelling. Enteritis, inflammation of the small intestine causing diarrhea, abdominal pain, and fever. Esophagitis, inflammation of the esophagus causing chest pain, difficulty swallowing, and heartburn. Cholecystitis, inflammation of the gallbladder causing abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting.